In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Claude AI history, basically deleting some old conversations that are in your Claude. So let's go to the Claude AI app. And when you're here on your page here, it's real easy to go through and find all of your chats and stuff like that. So if you were to be on a new page with a new chat and you want to go find those old conversations or that history to get rid of, all you have to do is go ahead and hit the three bars at the top left-hand corner. And that's going to bring you to a lot of different settings here. And the only thing you really need to do is click and hold any conversation that you want and go ahead and hit delete. It's going to ask you to confirm this. And then within a second, that conversation leaves. So we can kind of just keep going through here and click and holding different conversations and just going through and hit delete and hit delete again. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to delete that Claude AI history.